Welcome back to Fast Fix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So when you open your Snapchat and go right here on chat, and if you want to block someone right here, for example, I want to block this one, you just tap and hold, tap on manage friendship, then tap on block, and finally tap on block right here. Now, if you want to unblock someone, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then here you will find the gear icon at the top right. So tap that one, that is the settings. So tap that one and then scroll down till the bottom under the account actions. So right here is just to tap this block right here. Then you will find all the block accounts on your Snapchat. So all you need to do to unblock this one is tap that X button at the right side of that profile. Then a message shows up saying, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? So just tap this yes to confirm your action. So that's how you basically unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.